Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Umintri rangba gajela konrad sangma henne kasngi ulayo banyakren bat kawai ka LONGKMIE kabalatip kateng kum kakong bertina lingdo. Kani ka LONGKMIE kade ka DUNA ha ka BOR ïOHI bat kabakham sngo sarong banyo sngo kalong bakakong bertina kadang yakun PhD ha Martin Luther Christian University. Kani ka LONGKMIE kade ka bala jutre jukta menshua ha Assam ha ka por bawan ka khlam COVID-19 Hindre nagidaw baka jaka baka tre kimna shu ban penya ya kakam kumta kaladu kamno bad kayo ka kodru kaladuna no habaya kren mo mentri rang ba ka jilla u kondat sangma ulapen pau ka jing ngokta ka bas ngosen halor ka jing kren bat ka kong bertina kala karpat bat pan ka JINGÂARAP bat kershan na ka SORKAR ha ka jing bot dien ban PYNDEP ya ka thong ka jongka ha ka ban PYNDEP ya ka jing puli ban yo ya ka kerdan ha ka PhD English nakalyang umintri rang ba ula pinti kana ba ula long ubakloy JINGÄARAP ya ka kong bertina.
Till date, I've been able to only publish this paper on this part of my PhD. So, what I want from you, to assist me in whichever way possible is that ever since lockdown, because before I worked in Assam, but then ever since lockdown, and unfortunately the job which I am working, it is a project work in Assam. So, because of they cannot recover the project work, so we were given a notification that we should look for another job. Okay, so because of that reason, I lost my job. But then,
financial support?
Yes, of course I need financial support because I'm doing my PhD in English from Martin Luther. So Martin Luther is a private university, it's not a government. So expenditure is more, and then also I have problem with employment. Every day I used to run around taking my son. So means just to go around offices and all looking if there's any opportunity for me. If in whichever way possible, as a minister, please help me.
I'll find out. Okay. We'll do our best. Okay?
Yeah, please, sir.
Yeah. Do you have any contact number?
I have, sir.
Can you leave it, give it to my team? You just take the contact number down.
Okay. Yes, sir.
And then I'll work out something. And one thing for sure, I can tell you that your course that you're doing in Martin Luther, I will pay for it. Fully, you don't have to pay for your fees. Okay? I will clear all of that from my side.
I haven't paid, sir. Single paisa also I haven't paid. Because
I'll
the
pay for it.
fellowship which I got also, no, sir, sometimes 2-3 months it doesn't come. And if it comes also, I have to fulfill all my economical needs.
Yeah, true.
Because I am also an orphan. So ever since I was a child, somebody just support me 100 rupees, 500. I just collect those, and with those money only I grew up.
It's very inspiring what you have done, and I'm very touched. And I'll assure you that I'll help you for myself. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Don't worry. So I think your baby is there, so you take care. Somebody will call you today or tomorrow itself. Okay?
Yes. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
sir. Thank you so much, sir.